Hi everyone. Today I will welcome. Today I will give a brief overview of Python fundamental and Python programming. I will cover the basics and in the end I will explain one code. What can Python do? Python can accomplish many tasks. From that task is like web development, data analysis, and machine learning. In the data analysis, using libraries like Pandas and NumPy, we can like visualize our diagrams and other things. Machine learning and AI. We can like with machine learning and AI using by Python, we can like interfere with AI and create our own AI. And we can also like from these things create a game and develop a software. Python basics. Why people love Python? Why Python is like famous? Python have two things. Is like one of the easiest language to learn. Also, it's like has like less errors than C and C++. You're not gonna face so many error. Variables. Variables and data type in Python you can use the variables to store a data types like strings. Also, you can store a list. You can store an integer. You can store a float. In using this operator, equal operator, and you can store any variables. As you can see in the example, define the variable's name is a strings. This strings is inside the name variable by using uh, equal sign. Also, for the age, you store 30, which is an integer. Then you're gonna print it. You're gonna find this print num name, which is this is gonna be the output. Also for here, this is gonna be the output. Control structure. Using if statement, you can like check the arguments. Two arguments, as you can see inside the my A and B. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3. And you want to check which one is bigger. He's saying A is big. If A is bigger than B, print. First, A is greater than B. If it's not, print B is greater than A. As you can see, A is 5 and B is 3. That means A is bigger. The output will be this. For if statement and while, you can say like, let's take if as example, for as example, for loops. If for I in range of 5, I is the variable, this is the range, how many time you wanna uh, write down or do this task is 5 times. You said you want to print it, you want to print I, the variable, 5 times. You're gonna find I 5 times. Let's go to the next stage. Functions. There is two types of function inside the Python. Built-in function and user-defined functions. Built-in function is come with Python, like print, and length. Every function has its own task. Like if you see print has to if you like put in words inside it using two asterisks, is gonna print out in the screen hello world. But the user defined function is like the user gonna create his own function, like by first define the function name and the arguments. Here our arguments is a and b. We want to add them. That's why we have to return it, then a plus b. Then we have to like call the function by using print to like print the output, add the name of the function, and 2 is like a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3, and the output gonna be 5. Models and libraries. Libraries used for like code adding functionality, and with the models and libraries example, we first thing gonna import our libraries. Like here, as you can see, we import math to use like a lot of things we can use with math function import. This library we can use with it like square root here, or we can use pi. Also, motolib.pilot as short, we can say BLT. BLT is like to show to we want to like to list, and we want to show it as a diagram. We want to show it as a diagram. Our diagram is gonna be something like this. Error handling. In Python, there is no many error, but like expect if something unexpected happen inside your code, like here, as you can see in our example, it's like divided on 0, is like gonna give you error, as you cannot divide on 0, of course. In my in the end, my code, I want to explain how did I do this code. First thing first, I import this code from using OS. First thing first, I import necessary libraries like OS, band, Sopron, and then for short BLT. Every one of them it has its own task to do. Why these libraries are necessary? Libraries help us to read data and make the code more clean and better for looking. For a first function, defined purpose underscore smartphone data and our argument file underscore path. It's read smartphone data as CSV file and select specific columns and needed for analyzing. Why I use this function? This function prepares the data for further analysis and ensure it is an enable format without missing crucial information. Okay, column and okay, column to label function. What is purpose? Its purpose is like converting a column needed into a labels sustainable for bloat by capitalizing words and adding space. Why is that? Making the plot labels more readable and presentable. Visualize. Visualize this function. Visualize under score verse press function. Its purpose to create a scatter plot using Spron to show the relationship, to show the diagram. Why that? Visualization, how purpose, speed, impact, smartphone prices. After that, let's go that. Testing spot, state up testing using best to ensure the data figuration function work correctly. Why? Visualization and that the data cleaning purpose does not introduce an error. Test and test value function. Why? To check if there is any missing values. Why? Ensure that data is clean and ready for analyzation. In the end, each part of the code serves special purpose. Importing libraries for functionality and preparing data for analysis and value creating readable labs codes, we can say. In the end, thank you for watching and have a nice day.